U MLA Kalyang Persha Voice of the People Party VPP ka North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum ha ka khat ar tarik jiliu. Ula ai da ka jing ujor hakmat ka Meghalaya loka yukta Persha ya ki shipho ngot ki he sorkar bat katnat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL halor ka jing ka no bamsap na ka jing pentre ya ka scheme so bahagya kabalakat hadu shispa san penriuklur ya ka ba ka MEPDCL kala ban kiu ya ka jing penlun. Kani ka jing ujor kolong persya ya u Chief Secretary Barim, u Additional Chief Secretary Barim Power, Chairman kam Managing Director CMD ka MEECL, bat kihe Officer Barim ka MEPDCL, kabakuntop ya u Director Distribution, Chief Engineer Distribution, Chief Engineer Rural Electrification, Company Secretary, Chief Accounts Officer, Deputy Chief Accounts Officer, Additional Chief Engineer, Material Management, but Additional Chief Engineer, Planning and Design. Ya kani ka jing ujor la pensyong nongrim kat kumna ka kaipot jong ka Comptroller and Auditor General of India on social and economic sectors jong usnam bakun ha kalai puai terik leber ar puar.
Kani ka singi nga 100 po lokayuta office kani kendo chairman ti ndai hamsam lai kendo ang layo ya kaban Hanover pat ya ka complain kapangawan ban lodge ya ka complain hakti jong secretary jong ka lokayuta di Barathap halor ka section section 13 1A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1918. Kani kadai halor jong ka findings jong ka CEG kabdai ka report number 2 2023 and that March 2023. But ya kani ka report la sen la pha cho government akan beliau tarik benai bakandai ajar pulai. But haka arpu tarik benai bakandai ajar pulai la please lu yakani poka table of the house tibat nga kani kelas budget ngala persang belum rak kini nam taban divide namar kani ka kata ya ka pisah jong pai ba ha ka bidai bat ka bagi ngetip lang borok ta ka subhagya scheme ninga ngamong subhagya scheme ngong subhagya scam baling ngong ta kani unnecessary kelar sulung no avoidable expenditure ka bomdei banlut ha kata ka 156 crore ti kani ngla persang nonra apo ka house kom legislator represent ka voice of the people kadangi me keren po ka house hey ngi keren ti henry ngalawan ra ru lemba ka privilege ka ba ngayo kom legislator lemba ka rules 130 bangila ban wanra yung nuno ka report henry ka pasok pala pat kalong honorable speaker jong ka assembly jong ka state umsyam la sya lemba ka rules and procedure of the assembly 241 katni ka bamdon kabam karen syai ban ong babar yo nuno legislator ban debate di non ra no report ban ya karen di ban debate henry hakani ka ju ka subject kalalet mutas po ka High Court Batam Brom manum ko abang keren ni pangani ninga ko abang keren specifically haning por kamawan ra yang bangawan ban lodge ka complain lembau chairman jo kalokay ta makani ka judiciary ni haban pagpaw ko jing burom lembau ana hazari ulay ki bandawa ya ka lokpal hagi ti por amar kani kalok lokayuk ta kadika yeng shari jom pagba but dagbo burom po Meghalaya ba Michael CM ila sim ya ka initiative ban pressure yung government at that point of time ito gisnam gibalik no bat lala ya ka ban pelongan ito ba sosi pat ba kani kalokay kita matang iko ban tip ken lakan trikam na iyam katkum ka spirit namar kajing tumu jo kani kalong ban eradicate ya ka corruption tingam tip la kani ka office kandai siya kata ka purely independent body namar ngitip pada ka constitutional body ketika statutory body gabanumla ban tuklar pat da kumoi kengit scam ba ngawan ru ni ka por kalong bangan dawai ka hok kham tam pai ba namar bangangit bagai MDA government ka adap keren syai bahkan wanra ka transparency and accountability ingin pet ke bahkan ni kalau kai ta hadukan no kalaban ayang ta kajing syakari ka bohok hakaban pengat ita ki brio ki badon hakita ki kam ka bamaki kilale namar paling kani kadai ka bang pot pun pau kani ka complain kadai halor ki sipo banta jongka office lemba secretary lemba chief secretary to the government of Meghalaya atau additional chief secretary power to the government of Meghalaya chairman com managing director Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited atau director distribution Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited atau chief engineer distribution MEPDCL chief engineer rural electrification MEPDCL company secretary MEPDCL atau chief accounts officer deputy chief account officer MEPDCL additional chief engineer material management MEPDCL additional chief engineer planning and design kini di sipo ngot kiba ngabu yang complain kani kadai during the tenure of 2018 kamda ya ka present mo ki halo ni ka benta ngawan ni ka por kalong ba ngan lodge yon ka complain namar ba kani ka kumang lapatay fi mane ba kadai ka report ka bala submit number CEG CEG kadai ka constitutional body 4 ju labru ban ong baka bakla timanta labaring apat bangam dei ban keren ani ban debate ani memang ki member ki mak makadon PEC kila ki member jong PEC investigation ani kila ban carry out ya kata ka matter mo bat ki hakin wan rai ka report adian tikai ka kamram jungi pat ki legislator pat hapo ka house kani ko mo ngi mane kana don hapo ka court ngong po ban keren di tukang po ban keren syai kalong ba di nakaliang jong secretary jong government of India secretary jong government of India lemba ka video conferencing haga khat sautorik ubnai bakhatar arja khatpra ladap yadoni ka meeting lemba video conferencing lam rekat pat chief secretary jong government of Meghalaya pat ki official kebun jong ka MEPDCL baladap mana ladap keren syai bamdei ban go ahead bat kani ka tendering process ban tender ya kani ka contract work kepada ka rural electrification lembaga subhagya scheme sekinong kendong bomdai ban ya chhamat namar ba ka amount cost kala he namar takadaw dong kam man ya departmental secretary gadap agree nakaliang chief secretary jong government of Meghalaya nakaliang ki official jong ka MEPDCL ki adap ban agree lembaga video conferencing baladap ai ka assurances in spite of given assurances ki violate ki go ahead pada tendering process but ki alot ya ka kam ki award ka kam haki arteli ki company kata ko bagi tip lembaga ton ki contractor kata ko bagi company Onicon enterprise but ka company jong satanam ti kini kadai ka bang kuak ban tempau lomba jumpi ki press and media bagi pai ba tip kan nung ini pengkesan dia kata kajing bamdon corruption kin mau bagi don artli na kuak tempau kajing kun ka ba sirkai ba ka don hakmat ka belum very challenging ya ka state but kum ki nongsong sunong jong jala at this very point of time kalong hakini ki artli kawai kadai kuno ban eradicate ya ka corruption but ka baar kalong kuno ban eradicate ya ka drugs kini kadai kajing sliu ka don hakmat do ako bangit scam ka lokayuta apo ka jalam jong chairman bat ki way pat ki benches ki ba dei ban sim ban charge adin mga ban lodge yang ni complain nangit scam bakan don ka judicious ka kahok ako mga community ngan yo ka bandai omnam ta ka jimantoy jonga le kham tam e na ka banta ka jala ka barang hiran kat ni kapag government of Meghalaya present menta kinang sim daki crore ban simram na kabanta ban ron ya ka government